morning, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. So, I am Jeannie R. Dalisay from Battalion HE1A. So, I will be discussing about the difference of Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slide. So, are both popular tools for creating presentations, but they have different features and user experience. PowerPoint is more feature-rich, offering a wide variety of templates, animations, and advanced editing options. It allows users to create highly customized slides with detailed graphics and multimedia elements. Plus, it works smoothly offline, which is great if you don't have access to the internet. On the other hand, Google Slide is simpler and easier to use for beginners. It enables easy collaborations because multiple people can work on the same presentation at the same time. And all changes are saved automatically in the cloud. This means you don't have to worry about losing your work. Google Slides also loads up faster and accessible from any device with internet, making it convenient for on-the-go presentation. However, it may lack some of the advanced features that PowerPoint has, like intricate animations of complex chart options. Both tools are effective, but if you want powerful functionality, PowerPoint might be better, while Google Slide is excellent for teamwork and simplicity. Overall, your choice depends on your needs, whether you need advanced features or a straightforward collaborations platform. Thank you.